Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about an overview of the 2021 Essential Medical List in India, the key insight and implication. Introduction to Essential Medicine. The Essential Medicines List (EML) is crucial for ensuring the access to necessary medication. This presentation provides an overview of the 2021 EML in India, highlighting the key insight and implications for healthcare delivery and policy. Understanding this list aid in the addressing public health challenges effectively. What are the essential medicines? Essential medicines are those that satisfy the priority healthcare needs of the populations, and they are selected based on the efficacy, safety, and cost effectiveness. The aim is to provide a suitable, sustainable supply of these medications to enhance the health outcomes. Overview of the 2021 EML. The 2021 EML in India include a comprehensive list of medicines characterized by therapeutic use. It emphasizes the need for affordable and accessible treatment, ensuring that essential drugs are available in sufficient amount at all times. Key changes in 2021 EML. The 2021 EML introduced the several significant changes, including the addition of new therapeutic categories and the removal of the outdated medicines. This adjustment reflects the evolving medical landscape and aim to improve the healthcare delivery. Importance of the EML. The EML play a vital role in guiding healthcare providers in prescribing essential medications. It supports the rational drug use, promote cost-effective treatments, and enhancing the overall quality of healthcare services across India. Access to essential medicines. Access to essential medicines is crucial for achieving the universal health coverage. The 2021 EML aimed to bridge the gap in availability and the affordability, ensuring that all individuals can obtain the medications they need for optimal health. Public health implications are the implications of the 2021 EML extend to public health, impacting disease management, prevention strategies, and overall health care outcomes by the prioritizing the essential medicines. India can address the pressing health challenges more effectively. Challenges in the implementations. Despite its importance, there are the challenges in implementing the 2021 EML, including the issue related to supply chain management, there are the regulatory hurdles and need for the awareness among healthcare provider and public. Role of the healthcare providers. Healthcare providers play a critical role in the effective use of the EML. They must be well informed about the essential medications and advocate for their availability to ensure that the patients receive the best possible care. Next, the future directions. The future of the EML in India involves continuous evolutions and adaptations to meet the changing the health need of the populations, enhancing the stakeholder collaborations and the leveraging technology will be key to its success. Next is the conclusion. The 2021 Essential Medicine List is a pivotal tool for improving the healthcare in India. By ensuring access to essential medicines, it plays a significant role in enhancing